We call this 뭐다? Oh my god. 제자. Hello. Yes. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Yeah, I will move. We're going to start with packing and sorting the clothes. The brand of nappers my daughter uses. My son literally messed this up. He messed this up and a lot of nappers got out. You know what? There are also dirty clothes here, so I don't know where I'm gonna put them. Oh, I'm so freaking tired already, and I haven't done anything this morning. I haven't done a thing. I had this washing for the last, I don't know how many days I've had this. This is the baby's dirt. I'm just gonna throw the dirt down. No shame. No. So it's so difficult having kids and then having to like juggle all those things that we as parents are really expected to do, because there's just so much. Even this is small. My daughter is really on the short side. She's not really tall. This is my son's. To put it on a hanger, but no, I'm lazy. It's normal to admit when you are lazy and just get over with it, okay? And my side of the cloth rack is very disorganized, like really disorganized, okay? I think I'm hungry now, so I want to take a break. My son took out so many nappies. Like yesterday, I was not at home, and yeah, he was playing with the baby nappies. Guys, I've been using Huggies Extra Care ever since with my son, and sure, I've never regretted. Um, it treated me so well, no leaking whatsoever. Hi, baby, you awake? Just baby girl. I've been looking for this for so long. Today, I finally found it. It was in the washroom. So the dresses are out. Summer is coming, and yeah, the dresses are officially out. Where are the dresses? Where are the dresses? Woo! Baby, hello. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Pichi Pichi. Did you sleep well? Did you have sweet dreams? What is up? Mommy? Ro? Ma? 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 Mm, it's just small. Small, small, small. You know, guys, it's my favorite dress. How are you? My favorite dress. How are you? How are you? How are you? Kiwaki, Kiwaki. We call this. Do you see this? This is called. Yeah. Here, take this and learn, learn. Okay, because I know you're the smartest. Yeah, 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 yeah. Smart baby. Now I am officially done picking the clothes, and yeah, the baby is eating my son's flesh cars, the one that I made. And you're laughing. What is so funny? That's my wardrobe. It's falling apart. I know. I don't have a plan B. I need to save money. It has curves. And what do you call this? What do you call this in your language? The Western world? What do you call this? Because, yeah, this is how bad it is gotten. What do you call this? Because these things are eating my wardrobe. They're also eating my clothes. They're basically everywhere. I need to pick all this. So this is my side. This is my daughter's side. And this is my son's side. We need to first clean and then we can start organizing. So what I'm gonna do now, Yeah. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Yes. Poverty will be the end of us because tell me why. What is this? What is this? This is my wardrobe. Yeah, my wardrobe. In case you're wondering. Eaten by mites? Is it mites? Hi. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are officially done. Look at my room. Everything is clean. Yes, the toiletry section clean. My clothes packed. The jackets clean. And the broken. That's how you do it. I've put the babies or my kids' laundry basket here. And yeah, the baby section, Emmanuel section, my dirty clothes, the kids' dirty clothes. Pretty much done, right? Smiler. Ito Saudi. Hello. And thank you for watching. As you can see, now the only thing left is to change the baby. So I'm just gonna change the baby, wipe her up a little bit. She's wearing a dress. Yes.